breakfast and we'll go for boat party. Yes, Didi. Here in front, and I'm enjoying the view. It was a bad idea for us. I can't.
Can we please all get it right behind the office?
Because tomorrow I'm working all day. You are also working morning. She also working morning. Good morning. Day 3 at Ayianapa. Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. Namaste. सबैजनालाई स्वागत छ. आज चाहिँ हामी रेडी भइसक्यौ. एकदम we are in hurry to go because we have to be there at 9:30 at Waterpark. We are here at Ayianapa and we still have to have our breakfast and then we have to run. Look, the ladies. Good morning, Didi.
Good morning.
Good morning, Esther.
Good morning.
We are in hurry. Everybody is packing, but my is ready. I'm still waiting for them. So say you bye. Now we'll have our breakfast and we'll go for boat party. Dun, ta -da. Now we're here at our breakfast table. You did not say good morning to our vlog today. What about you? Oh, you look so pretty.
So I don't look pretty.
Okay, see you because we had to leave. We are in hurry. We had to leave. So bye. We'll eat grigora money, and then we'll go to Waterpark. See you in Waterpark. Bye. We are already late. As I told you, now we are running. Okay, finally we are here. Now we late 7 minutes and we had to run. As you can see our video that we are running, but finally we are here. And they are blaming me. It's because of me, but it's not because of you. Because
when you post the video, it's all of us that would like the video. So
you see, all right. So we'll be here more than 3 hours, almost 4 hours. We'll be here. It's nice. If you really want to come for the boat, you have to because we already booked from Friday. That's why they are calling us and they care about us. Otherwise, they don't care about it and they just left for us, isn't it? I feel dizziness. I feel like because I have motion sickness. That's why, because it's moving, it's shaking. As you can see my excited face, I was very excited to come to the boat, but now as you can see my face, I can't. I'm exhausted. I have sickness. I have motion problem. Now I feel dizziness, so I'm just sitting over here in front and I'm enjoying the view.
Bring as we like.
Now I'm going to swim with my life jacket. I'm afraid, but I will try my best.
Dajcie go tutaj, no.
Oh my god! Video. Look at me.
Okay. Finally we did swimming. She saved my life. It was very bad idea for us because we feel dizziness and we took a medicine as well.
The water after we are fine.
Okay guys, हामीले चाहिँ त्यो के अरे त्यसलाई के भन्छ क्याप्टेनलाई फोन दिएथ्यौँ हामी तल के भन्छ त पाइलट क्याप्टेन भन्दो रहेछ थाहा छैन म चाहिँ पाइलट भनेको थिएँ अनि मैले चाहिँ हामीले चाहिँ फोन दिएथ्यौँ भिडियो खिचिदिनु है हाम्रो हामी तल गएर भनेको थियौँ when we came back अनि मैले where is the video भनेको त त्यसले यस्तो त्यसले हामीलाई बचाउने ठिक हो She saved my life guys. हामी पानीमा गएपछि झन्
Save my life.
Save my life होइन कि Okay, we are done.
अनि बल्ल त्यस्तो उसहरू खानु अहिले कुराहरू
के खानेकुराहरू मलाई भोक लाग्छ अहिले चाहिँ अघि हामी खानै पाएन अहिले चाहिँ want to eat now we are going back thank you so much guys
Thank you so much again.
Can we please all get in line behind the office so we are going to sit here?
we are at our end of vacation and nobody want to go back to Nicosia because tomorrow I'm working all day you are also working morning she also working all day ne you are also working all day we all are working and I don't want to go back to Nicosia especially me I have to drive oh my god but I'm okay
You said we were going to do
okay now we are here at Waterpark finally this plan is from years ago that we need to come to Waterpark.
This is our last year in Cyprus. Some of
I
us.
wish, I wish. So now here we are at Water World. Now we have to get the ticket to enter inside. I don't know how much. It's around 40 or 50 euro per person. Okay, we got the ticket. We paid from our Bank of Cyprus and we got discount.
Any girls in the bus? Any girls in the bus?
Do you have gun?
Yes, please.
Thank you.
Have fun, girls.
Thank you. Okay, finally we are here.
Without this slide, I'm going to push Neha down.
No, you are not going to push me
I
down.
will push you.
No.
I will take you
I
up.
will scream.
Yeah.
I will say
And I will
Boithia,
do
Boithia, Boithia. I will start to say Boithia. We bought our bag and we want to put our bag and we have to pay extra for the bag, for the locker.
750. 750
Okay. We just put our things, but it's just waste of money. If you are coming here with your bag, you can carry your bag. We just paid 7 euro. It's extra money. We just wasted our money. And we still have to hold my phone, my camera, and so on. We just did this one. And now we are going to do another one. I can't film more because of the music. As you can see, there are so many places. They want to do this one. I'm scared to do alone. I don't know what we will do. What happened? Finally, she came back. Where is Yasoda? She's she's shouting. Let's see. I can listen your voice, Ella. Oh my god. Oh my god. You will see your video. That one. This one is it's okay. So I'm going. Now I'm going. It's my turn. I don't know if I will come back or not. They will film my video.
We are waiting for Neha. Hello. We are waiting. Not Neha, come on, come on, come on, come on. Somebody come now. Look, look, look. I think Neha. Oh, hello. We love you. You didn't tell me I love you.
Look, now they told me to do this one. I'm very scared to do this one. I don't know if I will come back or not. to film this video, film this part because our vacation weekend is over. So now we are going back to Nicosia. We had a lots of fun today at Waterpark. We like it. What about you, Esther? Did you like it?
It was lovely.
It was lovely, you see. What about you, Esther Didi? Did you like it?
Yes, Pola.
Yeah, but me and Esther Didi, we are afraid a lot. This lady, oh my god, Khatro ke Khiladi. Esther. Esther is Khatro ke Khiladi. We'll explain you what does that mean, Khatro ke Khiladi. Okay, so bye bye. Now we are going home, Nicosia, and we'll sleep. And tomorrow we all are working. I don't want to go back. Right, thank you so much for watching our video until the end. Now we are going back to Nicosia. Bye bye.
Bye.
Next video ma feri vetamla. Bye. Say namaste.
Namaste.
Namaste.